Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how you can easily connect Jira with Telegram. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. What you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the link. Then you are gonna come across to this page, Make is a powerful integration platform that would allow you to connect different apps without having to write a single line of code. Make integrates with over 1000 apps and services. Two of those apps are Telegram and Jira, and you get also the free accounts that you can test it out by yourself. Okay, so after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Make. It's easy as just filling these forms, or you can also sign up using your Google account, your Facebook account, your GitHub accounts. And after that, this is your dashboard. Now you want to click this create new scenario button right here on the top right, and here you are. Click the plus symbol and just search for the apps that you want to connect. Let's say Jira. I'm gonna add Jira first. It's completely up to you. And as you can see, each application usually has different kinds of models inside of it because you can do different things with those applications. Watch issues and another watch issues here. This is triggers when an issue is created or updated. Updates an issue is an issue. So you would choose which one you want. I'm gonna go with watch issues. This. So this is also specified down here what kind of model is. Then you need to connect it with your accounts here. And after that, click the plus icon here and just search for Telegram. I'm gonna add Telegram here. Okay, and let's say you want to delete a message, send an audio file. So you would choose which one you want. So I'm gonna go with send a text message or a reply. Then you need to connect it with your accounts here. On the bottom left, you can easily run it once and test it out. On the bottom, you can save it. Over here, you find templates. I find this a really cool place to get some inspiration of what is possible. For example, over here, I could search by an app. I could say, okay, give me all the templates that contain the Jira module. Down here, you see all kinds of things that are possible. You can use them as they are or customize them to suit your needs. Other than that, you can just click help, contact support, then you can contact the Make customer support with technical issue scenario, and you could paste the URL of your scenario if you need any help from them. And that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out, and bye bye.